So hey, Jim here again today. So it's Saturday. I think it's about the 22nd of January or something like that. Another really nice day in Seattle. Um, about 50 degrees on Saturday. Just want to show you the score I got today from one of the members of the Naked Goldwing. He lives in the area here, not too far from me. Had some parts he was selling out, and had this great engine. So here's the engine. So I believe, so it's still, just got it home. Serial number is 212274. I think that means it's a 81. He thought that the bike was a 80, and sure enough the frame he had was an 80. So this thing had been in another bike. Somebody got to swapping around, so this might be the third bike this engine's been in. But anyway, this is going to speed up my project a lot. Gave me a great deal. I got a new friend, Bob. He's a member of the forum. I'll get his name, but yeah, it looks good. Turned over really nice and smooth, and he might have some parts if you guys need some. So another score I got was this really nice set of gauges off of 83. So I'm going to have the 150 mile an hour speedometer on the 1100. Really happy about that. Feel real good. Got a new friend. Just kind of finish up the little story here on this engine. Really excited about getting this. I'll be going back on the bike. I think this whole project's going to be taking a new, it's going to be picking up. There's no doubt about it. I'll have a lot of things I can work on without having to worry about being finished, the engine being rebuilt now. I can take the other engine overhauled as I want. So I'm real happy about that.